Yum yum, Kiwi. You're hungry already, yeah. I know you're hungry. Oh, where you going? Come here. Wait, mommy take the food first. Okay, come. Okay, come. Come here. Come. Come, Kiwi. Where you going? The food is here. The food is here. Come here. Come here. Yeah.
It's a great finish from Diogo Jota. The finish, absolutely first class.
Where are you going? Come here, Kiwi, Kiwi. Come here.
He looks confused.
She don't like this food already, honey. She don't like this food already. Yeah. She told me like that. She don't like already. You don't like already your food. Kiwi. Kiwi, where you going? Come here. Okay, come. You're so messy, you eat. Come. Kiwi.
Basic defensive corners. It's flicked on. He's free at the far post. Definitely not offside.
Okay, come, Kiwi. Kiwi. Kiwi, your food is here. Here. Where are you going? You don't like your food. You don't like your food. Last time you like. Fed up already this one, the taste. You fed up the taste. See, you didn't even full your tummy. Come. Yeah, I know. Must eat. I buy you new one tomorrow. New food. You're so maarty.
Always going to try and use the wind. Pace on it. May well have just been hitting the outside of the post.
Wait first, okay?
To take that risk.
What to feed you?
There is an area where you don't want to be sure if you get to all out to wanders. So the edge of the D. It's magnificent.
Wanna go up to mommy? You wanna go up to mommy? Oh, okay, come. Feed first, mommy. Feed you first, come.
The swerve and the angle.
Open the mouth. No, see, you don't want to open. You don't want. What you want? You wanna go up to mommy? Okay, go up. Okay, come to mommy. Come na. You don't want to eat. Okay, come, mommy. Okay, come na. Come to mommy. Yan, say hi. Hello, Kiwi. Kiwi, Kiwis, Kiwi as my name. Oh, yeah. I know you're hungry, but you don't want to eat already. You're so fussy.
Well, again, it's all too easy, isn't it? Dendonka, brilliant nips in there. Jimenez in acres of space, does really well.
See? You don't like already. You fed up with the food. Huh? For 1 week, same food. Is it? Oopsie. See? You make it Annie dirty. Dirty boy.
Bounces off the post and straight to Raul Jimenez. Is desperately unlucky for Norwich.
She don't want her food already. Okay, come, wipe. Wipe. Don't quack me. I'm not quack. Dirty boy, you.
There was a huge
You don't want your food.
by Johnny.
Oh, it's not my fault you don't want.
I can tell everybody is watching that.
Then what to eat? You're so fussy, ah. Bird also can be fussy. Terrible. Come to mommy. Ew, you poo there. Okay, come to mommy, come. Yeah, I know. Come to mommy. Come. Okay, come. Yeah, good girl. A good boy, not a good girl. Good boy. Say hi to them. Hello. Say good evening. Bye-bye.